Aloha and a warm welcome from the 5 to 4s with Doña and Patrick. And today we go further steps from our last tutorial where we showed you chord melody and special keys to use in between our typical Andalusian cadence, which Patrick shows us in a few seconds, and I did accompany Patrick with a special scale. So this is what I explained to you today to improvise to that part what Patrick shows us in a few seconds, and you can practice because it's a preparation for our upcoming Spanish ukulele style workshop, which we do in Spanish, not in Spanish, in English and in German. And so we do it on different days so that we dive deeper into Spanish techniques like strumming, finger picking, how the Andalusian cadence works, and the harmonic minor scale, and how you make the sound more in the Spanish melody. So